David here at PDF Automation Station. I write a weekly column on Substack about tips and tricks for Acrobat Pro, and I'm going to link to the latest column in the description below. And this column describes how to make a progress bar for Acrobat Pro. And a progress bar is good for if you have an automation script and there's a lot going on and you just want the end user to know that something's actually happening instead of just staring at some blank space and wondering what's going on until the script completes. This script simply writes the numbers from 1 to 500 in the console and then opens the console when it's finished. So I'm going to go into form editing mode here. And I'm just going to put a button on this document. And I'm going to put some color in there just so I know where it is. Going to go to the Actions tab, mouse up, run a JavaScript, add. I'm going to paste my script, which is right here. It's pretty simple. Got a few special effects going on there, but you can pause it here, but it's easier. Just link to the article below. You can copy and paste the script and then manipulate it for your purposes. Save that, close that, Control-Shift-7 to get out of this form editing mode. And that's all there is to it. Watch in the bottom right hand corner here as I click this button. And you see the numbers going up, percentage going up, and it's finished. There's the numbers I wrote to the console. Just clear that. And I'll just run it again for you. Again, just click the link in the description below and it'll walk you through how to do this. Thanks for watching.